check this out. This is a differential for the OpenRC F1 car, and it's designed by a guy called Tor Arne. I will put his link down in the description. And this is something that's really been missing from the OpenRC F1 car, but now it's here. It's really simple, and I'm going to show you guys what it's all about and how it looks. We're just going to have to rewind the tape a little bit. Alright, so these are the 3D printed parts for the differential, and I'd say it's as simple as it's clever, and that's why I like it so much. These are all the parts you need to print, and in addition to this, you're also going to have to print another front rim that's used on the front, because you need to have a free moving rear tire for the differential and 2 little bearings. Actually, you can't print these and use until you buy the real ones, and Tor Arne has included that in his Thingiverse page, which, as I said, I will include a link to it in the description. So basically, the main part is the spur gear here, and you got little pockets for the tiny gears. If you can see them, they're tiny, and there's a piece of filament going through them that will keep it in place in the gear. So we're going to put them in their pockets like this. This one, and this one, and the last one. Okay, and we have this part that goes on the inside of the axle towards the body of the car. So I'm gonna put that on the rear axle first, and then just slide it on like that, and then we have the gear. That, and the outer part. And these parts here goes into the rim, and of course we need the first bearing. Just push the tire on there. And then of course we need tire, the lock nut as well. Push it in there, and a screw. Just secure it in place, and that's it. We're done. So as you can see, it works pretty well. Now, if you have the 2017 update, the rear wing will catch the gear, so you're gonna have to cut it off a bit. But that's it. So I've done a little test driving with this, and actually it works great. And I'm really happy that Tor Arne made this, and I think it's a stroke of genius. Actually, his design is brilliant. And on top of this, he's actually done his own RC designs, which you should definitely check out. They're awesome, and they will be in the link in the description as well. So if you want an F1 car that's more easy to handle, and you know, a differential is almost needed if you want to be able to turn properly while driving and such, you should definitely try this out. It's really simple, and it fits on the stock rear axle as well. So that's something I really like. You don't have to, you know, replace a lot of parts and modify or anything like that. You just print the parts, put them on there, print another front rim, and get some new bearings, and that's it. These, I don't think that it will fit on the 2017 updates, so keep that in mind. You might have to check that out. And also maybe you need to add some grease on the gears. I don't know, I haven't done that yet. This is printed in alloy 910 by Tollman. Feels really good and strong. I've test driven it a little, and it feels great. So print these, test them out, share some pictures or videos in the group, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.